Hi, Marty James here. Wanted to talk about your 401ks. One of the common things that I've found is that when we start asking questions about the 401ks you have, people really don't know what features are inside those. So, and most people don't even know what the summary plan description is. So the summary plan description is a document that in regular English, as opposed to the plan document, which is legalese, kind of describes the features that's in the 401k, when you can access your money, how you make your contributions and such. So what you really need to do is go to the site that for the administration of your 401k and pull down the summary plan description. And sometimes they have a summary of the summary plan description. And you're looking for certain things. You're looking for, every 401k will have pre-tax contributions, but then you're also looking for, do I have the ability to make a Roth contribution into my 401k? I'm looking for after-tax contributions. Can I do that? I'm looking for the in-plan conversion feature, which you might say in-plan rollover. I'm looking for those things to see, what I have available and how I can take advantage of these things. If I put money into my after-tax account, if it's available, do I have the ability to pull it out before age 59 and a half? The other thing you will look for is at age 59 and a half, are you free, to actually move money from your 401k into, an IRA? It's real important just to know how the money can be moved around. You want to look and see if it will actually accept rollovers from my former employer. Let's say I was working for a company and I've got $100,000 in that 401k, and I go to another company's with another company with a 401k. Will they allow me to roll that money into that plan? And now they will account for that separately. So a lot of times the plans will allow you to actually roll your contributions back out pre-59 and a half into an IRA. When I say contributions, your rollover amount from your former, IRA or employer. Because sometimes it makes sense if you're trying to do some of the Roth strategies to not have any traditional IRA money, outside that 401k. You can actually do a lot of things that you can't do tax effectively with your money sitting in the IRA. So I encourage you to take a look at your 401k summary plan description. Give us a call when you get that, and we will be sure to help you interpret some of the things and what it means to you, because there's some tremendous planning opportunities. And let's say you looked at your summary plan description when you first started working. Well, plans have been updated quite a bit, and plans are continuing adding these new features, and you need to be aware of if they've added them or not. So again, take a look at that. When you see some of these neat things that's inside there, give us a call and we can show you how to make that work to your best advantage. The other thing is, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because I think there's going to be some pretty cool stuff we're going to be pumping out here. Things that you may not see elsewhere from other financial advisors or CPAs, because sometimes it's not in their best interest for you to do some of these things. So just give me a call or reach out to us, send us an email, and be sure to subscribe.